Minister wa Urimi Ciira Linturi augete ati Ciira wa kũhagũra ũhũrĩtwo njeki nĩ mũrurumo wa kũmũthũkĩria rĩtwa ũrĩa wambĩrĩirio nĩ thirikari hĩtũku tondũ wa mũrũgamo wake wa ũteti na rĩu ũtenderetio nĩ nyũmba cia mohoro mbere ya kamĩtĩ ya bunge ĩrĩa ĩrathuthuria thitango cia Linturi atemanĩirio kana thitango iria Linturi atemanĩirio augete ati kĩhoto gĩake gĩgakorwo kĩagarĩrĩtwo itua rĩa kũmũhagũra rĩngĩkindĩrwo tondũ maũndũ mothe mambĩkĩirwo mũthingi wa maheni.
Can you read Article 152(5)(a)?
Article 5(1)(a) reads as follows. The President may reassign a Cabinet Secretary, may dismiss a Cabinet Secretary. Do I continue to see?
Yes.
Shall dismiss a Cabinet Secretary if required to do so by a resolution adopted under Clause 6 to 10.
So at page 5 of the motion, ground number E, the allegation is that you have breached a constitutional provision that speaks to the powers of the President. What is your response to that, sir?
It's very ridiculous, and that allegation can only be leveled against the President, and it is not possible for me to exercise presidential powers that I'm being alleged to have breached this section, this particular part of the Constitution.
It is also alleged in the same allegation, sir, that you breached paragraph 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 of the same article. Are those articles, let's assume for argument, Honorable Linturi, that you are as bad as you can possibly be, would you be capable, even as the bad guy, of breaching those constitutional provisions?
It's not possible.
It is not possible.